footsteps on the city floor. Smiles while the sky lights so warm. Touching words by pieces if I'm torn. We don't need no stars to guide us. We're all like easy riders. Through our lives it's a message. I'll take your broken kisses. Stealing like monsters through the sand. I'll stow your love upon the last string. Thought I'm all around in my reach. Now when I close my eyes you're on the beach. We don't need no stars to guide us. We're all like easy riders. Through our lives it's a message. I'll take your broken kisses.
Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. You join me in my car heading over to Austin's house. Today's a very exciting day. I haven't done this for a while. We're gonna go pick up a little birthday present. I'm super excited because it's something that I've wanted for a long while. I've been toying with this idea. One's come up at a really good price, completely stock, standard, unmolested, and hopefully we're gonna go buy it. If all well and good, we'll buy it and ride it home. Super foggy out this morning, but it should burn off and it should be a really nice sunny day. Let me turn this camera around, I'll show you. Look at the fog. Now picking up this new bike also means that we're going to have two bikes on the channel, the Sportster and the new one. The Sportster's still around. It also means that we can get Austin back on the channel because I know all of you guys have been missing him, and he can jump on a Sportster and we can finally go for some rides together and some adventures together, just like the good old days.
Here
he
you
is.
good? Hello. I missed you. I missed you so much. Leighton Buzzard, we've got to go.
Yeah, about an hour. It says an hour exactly.
About an hour away.
Yeah.
And I get to have a go as well.
Yeah, 100%.
Right.
We'll take turns riding it back.
I'm getting withdrawals from being on two wheels.
I'm excited for you to take my Sportster and adopt it for a little bit.
Yeah, I'm excited too. I think I'll get it out of my system and then not want one.
I think so. I hope you actually do that, because then you'll buy a Bonnie or something.
Yeah, I think so.
And then keep it forever and ever.
I'm excited. A lot of you think you've got real friends, but you don't have friends that will buy themselves a second bike so you can keep their first one.
Exactly.
But yeah, I think this one looks good. I mean, it suits you, custom. So you can
Yeah,
change all the parts on it,
I think so.
and then change it again. That should be quite fun.
I have already ordered the exhaust,
Mate, that's crazy.
so I hope this ain't shit, because I'm gonna have a Hitchcock's exhaust coming. Well, I actually don't know where I'm going, bro.
Let's get the map up.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
How would you reckon that house is? Yeah. I like the 2-into-1 chimney.
Club style.
Push down again.
Looking down at a set of traffic lights on the phone to Ducati, doing a deal for a scrambler.
Oh really?
I was just about to buy it over the line and this pulled up at the lights.
Morning.
Morning, hello.
Lovely, isn't it?
Very lovely.
Nice and quiet as
I know. How peaceful.
Ourselves a new bike, baby. Yeah.
Look good.
Yeah, looks awesome, bro. Looks awesome.
These days and nights they run too fast. You make the sweetest flavors lost. Feels like I'm spinning. I can't stop crying. Oh no. Right in slow motion. This day's gonna be just fine. Let's tell what we taste. The memory of years like street crushed out of our clothes with a hazy small stare.
Right, so me and Austin are swapping over. Gonna go for a little few miles in the sunshine.
Yeah,
aren't we?
first time I've been on a bike in 2 months.
Yeah, right. You'll love it.
I'm excited.
It does just feel like your Scrambler, just a bit more punchier.
Yeah.
But yeah, cornering's weird. Like you'll notice straight away that the front end just wants to dip in.
Right. I wonder if I'll be more used to that.
Maybe. Alright, bro, enjoy.
Alright, bro, see you in a bit.
Key there, and then you push that down, yeah?
Alright, see you in a bit.
Ride safe. God, Austin looks so cool on that thing. He really suits that bike. I hope he loves it. I'm sure he will. He loves Triumph anyway. Really suits you, bro.
Mate, it looks so good.
You look
It
like-
feels so...
You look really, really cool on that.
Thank you, brother. Thanks for letting me have a go.
How does it feel?
Mate, it flies.
Didn't it?
Fly machine.
Yeah, yeah, it flies. Yeah,
Did you
it
see me
flies.
give it the beat?
You
a
was,
couple of
you
times?
was flying on that.
I felt my eyes watering up, but I think I was just crying with happiness. I've not- I've
Yeah,
been on the
I
bike for
knew
so
how
fucking
you was
long.
feeling. Yeah,
I was smiling ear to ear for some of that. Fuck, man.
yeah, I could tell.
I
how
think people in the reviews who say that the seat and the suspension, I think, are just looking at it and feeling with their eyes.
Yeah.
That is more, the suspension on that, I think, is better than my Scrambler.
Yeah,
Because the amount of times I'd go up to a speed bump and I'd go, oh,
yeah,
And
you
I'd
have
be
to
like, oh,
stand up or
but I just
something.
fucking ate it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Whereas my Scrambler,
Yeah.
I'd have to get up, otherwise it would throw me up.
What do you think about the cornering? It just wants to dip into the corner, doesn't it? Like it just,
At slow speeds, it's a little funny.
yeah, it feels like it just wants to go whoop.
It does want to go. And then on fast speeds, it's like perfect.
Yeah. Look at that. That is, I could see you on that. To be
That's
fair.
better, yeah.
That's you all over.
I'd happily get a V7 next.
I don't know whether they are stock. Because when I was looked at the stock pipes, they had like a thing inside, but I don't know if that's just a hole, bro. I don't know whether he's taken something out.
Maybe.
Alright.
That sounds really good.
Hitchcocks are on the way anyway.
Probably, yeah, the second time I've ever ridden that engine, and it's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah,
Those parallel bonnies are so nice.
yeah. It sounds really. When you gave it some, it sounded so good from behind. Like,
Did it?
yeah. Yeah, it sounded
And you're
so
right.
good.
The seat just has a nice cupping effect.
Yeah.
So that when you do give it
To
the
hold
beats,
you in it. I mean,
kinda
I
like-
haven't properly given it. Like you ragged it more than me so far. So
I kind of thought, oh, you've warmed up the tyres.
we go get a coffee. Or
Yeah,
something.
let's get a coffee.
It's an impromptu visit to Veloce
I know.
Club, actually. But that's
Well, I
nice.
think we're half an hour in front of the girls, so lots of chrome here today.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Mr. Clean. Love that. Yeah. Also very lovely.
That is
neat.
lovely.
The paint job.
The rain back.
They look like I could have done that one.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, man. Tank on that. Know who's gonna love this? Dad. First one to guess what it is wins prize. Oh, it's a fucking what? Can't see the engine. Oh, it's a 865 Triumph engine. Yeah, it looks like a Sportster, but it's actually. That's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, that's mate, the tank in that
Two hours later.
made it back. Cheers.
Prost.
Coffee's on tap. Yeah, man, what a good day overall.
You happy, boy?
So happy. So happy. Now we're going to go fit some exhaust gaskets to the Sportster and then let Austin be free. Free.
Yeah, free. I'm back. I'm
Yeah?
back. I'm so
Hell
back.
yeah. I think that's going to be in the next episode. Next episode, me on the bobber, Austin on the Sportster, and we'll go for a nice adventure together, just like old times. So stay
Like
tuned for that.
romantic songs in the background.
But anyway, yeah, we'll leave this one here. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace. Yeah, nice. And now they're like a little bolt that's about that big, little screw thing.
All the way out, yeah?
All the way out, yeah.